So this is a CF-54, a semi-rugged laptop that can take a beating from being chucked across the room like a football or dropped in a lake. So why do I care about reviewing this and trying a game on it? Well, because I can, and it's freaking cool. But I mean, you can drop this and chuck it and not worry about breaking it. So for I/O, it's got 3 USB 3s, HDMI, an Ethernet jack, an SD card reader, and a Wi-Fi off switch. So if you wear a tinfoil hat and you want to shut that Wi-Fi off because you're paranoid of the government watching you and all that stuff, don't worry, this laptop has that. So the I/O isn't anything to write home about, but it's still better than a MacBook. I can say that at least. Now for the specs, it's rocking an older yet very capable 5300U with HD 5500 graphics, 16 gigs of RAM, dual 500 gig M.2s, one at a quick release bay adapter. So enough about talking about the laptop itself. You probably clicked on this video to see if a military grade laptop can actually play Rainbow Six Siege. So obviously we're going to start out easy and just go straight to the guts of the stuff. We're going to just be jumping right into Rainbow Six Siege. And it ran okay. It got 720p as a display resolution, everything on low, turned down as much as possible. And it ran about 20 to 30 FPS depending on what you're doing. And this was absolutely horrible. For me, I played about 5 games because I got hooked, and after some time you get used to it, but it was still pretty terrible. So CSGO, however, ran actually pretty good. So it's an easy run game on even a potato, even if this is equivalent of maybe 3 potatoes put together. I ran on medium to high, and CSGO saw an FPS from anywhere from 30 to 60 FPS depending on the scene, map, and what you're doing, of course. And it was a pretty playable experience. I would play this on this anytime, anywhere. So thanks for watching as always, and if you like this video, make sure you subscribe because I have many more older laptops and just weird oddballs I'm going to be reviewing, from old Dells to other ToughBooks in the future. So if you're looking forward to that, please hit that subscribe button down below, and see you guys in the next one.